As President and CEO of the Hamilton Chamber of Commerce, we proudly represent over 1,000 businesses and 75,000 employees here in our community. The hospital project is going to have a really incredible economic impact in the short term in terms of construction jobs, and then in the long terms in ensuring we have the resources available to recruit the top healthcare professionals in Canada right here to Hamilton. It allows us to recruit businesses that are looking for world-class cities with world-class amenities who will make Hamilton their home going forward. The hospital redevelopment project is imperative for the future of our city. As we look to growing our population to 850,000 people in 2050, we need to make sure that we have the infrastructure in place to have a thriving, vibrant community, and this will be a core aspect of Hamilton's future.